Package length, 17.78 centimeters. Package width, 10.16 centimeters. Package height, 2.79 centimeters. Product type, electronic switch. Don't worry about losing or having to replace your kill switch key. This 7-key set's got you covered for Johnson, Evinrude, Mercury, Yamaha, Suzuki, Tohatsu, and Honda engines. Tangle-free design keeps this crucial accessory ready at all times. Attwood Corporation has been an award-winning leader in engineering, testing, and manufacturing the highest quality marine products for over 100 years. Top reviews from the United States. Grabbed this item for my boat bag. Good item to have on hand. Purchased for those times I am on another boat, as a just-in-case item. Price was fair for item purchased.